Then the next thing that I need to go and configure is our post call information. And that's just in there. The URL is very similar but just different at the end. Just has post.php on the end of it. So I'm going to paste that in there. Again, we need some key variables in here, like the account ID, so we can track against which account it is. First name is the call variable customer number. We have phone 1. Customer number. Note date is how we populate the note information in Infusionsoft. So this is a call variable, and we're taking call date, local time, note time is another factor in the note in Infusionsoft, and that is we're using exactly the same field from ResponseTap to do that. Then we've got the call duration, just so you can run some analytics or reports if you want to from Infusionsoft about the length of time people are phoning in for. Perhaps offline associate a cost with that kind of thing. Then of course we need the ResponseTap tracking number, and that's a call variable, and it's our tracking number. Then we need to know whether it's an online or an offline call, and that's a campaign variable, and that's medium type. Then this information is also required for the note URL. That determines where it goes in Infusionsoft. That's the landing page URL. And then we've got a visitor ID, and that's a visitor variable, and that's, if ResponseTap knows it, that's the visitor ID associated with that. So if we click on save there, then we've got our post call URL configured. Just making sure that we've got everything set up there. Call recordings are in there. We've got our missed call alerts if you want to have those set up by ResponseTap as well. Although most Infusionsoft users just set up a task if we've got missed calls, if we've got calls that are coming in and then aren't dealt with. So that explains how we configure the single number in ResponseTap and how we map it into Infusionsoft.